All right. Welcome. We're in our beautiful new human group class, and this is a powerful space of understanding. We're in a human format in this particular now, but we're other nows on top of this. Why does that matter? Because if you can go into that mindset when you're in these spaces of this now, then you are at a space of yourself that can navigate the energy that you feel without allowing the energy to be bigger than you. Because when the energy feels daunting, challenging, big, it's because it's made us feel small. So we have to take back our sovereign space of being. And the best way to do that is to go beyond your human. Go beyond your thought of yourself as human. Go beyond that your human is the only thing responding, or your human is the only thing dealing with this, because it's not true. And I don't laugh like it's funny. I laugh like, ooh, this is big, this is fascinating. Our human being is not the only part of us dealing with this. Our consciousness is dealing with this and every other this there ever is. So that is wrapped up in here as well. When we started off with saying, if it feels personal, you're underneath it. And if you're underneath it, it's bigger than you. So you have to step back until it stops feeling personal. That means you have to step back into, we're in this together. We are aligning a new way in which all will unfold. You step back again. Now we're not even in the humans only dealing with it. Now we are our higher selves. We are with ourselves as we navigate this space. You step back again. We are the guides and the angels and the star ones with us. The higher selves with us, the women with us, the human. You see what I'm saying? If we allow ourselves to and the energy is rising so high as I'm just speaking these words, if we allow ourselves to remember this is a key PowerPoint for being you, is allow you to be the all of you are. And so, I would just continue to say these same things if I continue to talk, but please, if there's any more questions or I need to elaborate on any of it, just please ask. There's a lot of clearing going on. There's a lot of spaces of feeling unheard or angry being released. There's a lot coming out the left breast, the divine feminine, the mother. Just allow yourselves, you're processing so much, divine ones, and you're not even just doing it for you. I know I say that a lot, and it can seem like maybe sometimes you want to just do you, and you can do that, absolutely, but inevitably it is amplified out. It emanates out of you, and you are bringing massive shifts to the entire collective, the entire divine feminine, the entire divine masculine. You're bringing shifts to the higher selves. It's all connected. And we came in for this. We came in for this exact time, for these exact spaces. And we're designed to do it. We know how to do it. Our bodies know how to do it. We're remembering it more and more and more. I had an immense amount of information come in this morning. I'm writing the AQE3 master course, finishing up some of that. And I was getting, oh my God, the most incredible information about the pineal gland and the water around the pineal gland and the crystals, and incredible information of understanding of what our human bodies are doing, are capable of doing, and are doing, and many of us are here to put this all into motion. So there's so much happening, divine ones, and you are doing really incredible work. So I love you unendingly. You are beauty in motion. You are love in human form. Thank you, thank you, thank you.